pupunta tayo dyan. Sasakay. North and South. Green line only. Ihi ka na lang mamaya dyan, oh. To the falls. Ayan, tatawid tayo doon. Punta tayo sa kabila. Galing na tayo kanina sa kabila. May live ako. Doon tayo galing kanina. O, ayan, sasakay tayo. Ayan, o. There we go. Sakay tayo dyan. Sasakay tayo dyan. Daming pila. Ang init.
Space in the middle of the car, but if you want the sides, you can wait an extra 10 minutes.
We can...
Hindi naman tayo maupo dito.
Oo, maupo tayo. There we go. Ito na, sumakay na kami. Wow!
Whirlpool pala siya, whirlpool.
Whirlpool? Oh, nakakatakot.
Oh.
There we go sa kabila. Oh, wow.
Malalim itong tubig dito.
Malalim kasi ano siya. There's the wrong. Ayan, nasa gitna na tayo.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Whirlpool Aerocar. My name is Will. I will be your tour guide for the crossing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Once again, we're going to switch sides halfway through, so don't worry about missing the views.
Ang ganda ng kanya ng tubig, ano?
Maganda siya. Doon tayo kanina.
Kaya nga, nandun tayo kanina.
Down below us, to the right side of the car, you can see the white line. And looking down at that large cement wall in that direction, that is the Robert Moses Power Station in Lewiston, New York. The Sir Adam Beck Station is on the other side. Below us to the left, you can see the whirlpool. The depth of this whirlpool is 136 feet deep around the shoreline, so it's 35 to 50 feet
Ang
deep.
lalim.
Ang lalim, 136 feet.
The greenish tints you see inside the water, that's because there's limestone rock underneath the rapids. It breaks apart and enters the water, giving it the tint.
Sumbong ko na mahulog. Oh, nakakalula.
Just back there inside the river, you can see a boat. That is one of the Whirlpool jet boats. I believe there's two of them now. They dock in Queenston Heights, Ontario, the next town north from us. They make their way down the Niagara River all the way to the Whirlpool and back for a fun ride. I do recommend it. As As we approach the first half of our trip, we're not going to get off or on. We are just going to walk around the outside of the car so everyone ends up on either side. So if I could just have everyone's attention for a slight moment so I can explain this in more detail. So once again, I'll follow the leader around the car. You guys on the right side, make your way to the back, over to the left. You guys on the left, make your way to the front, over to the right.
Yan, ganyan. Oh, lipat tayo.
And I do please ask you if we don't take pictures till we're done walking, just to it makes a giant V shape. We're in the USA right now. I hope you brought your passports here and for a nice swim.
Can I ask your mom and dad?
Ayan, oh, nagsakay kami dyan kanina.
It's like a gondola, but it's not big.
Oh.
What did mom say?
Ang ganun. Hindi naka